Hello, digital world. Today I will be unboxing my new sound system for my desktop computer, the Razer Leviathan. Around the box, it gives you a breakdown of the sound bar and how to connect it and the various setup methods. In the back, it gives you some details about what these equipment are capable of doing. And then here are some more specs in writing format. Inside the box, we have multiple panels to open, and this very neat kind of see-through piece of paper congratulating me for purchasing this product. So first off, we see looks like two black boxes or inserts. We'll start with the smaller one. This looks like these are the legs for the sound bar. There are 4 of them. And then beneath that looks like a power supply cable. So this is how we connect it. And this looks like a little instruction manual on how to install it. They always come with their little logo stickers. Alright, next one is a long box. It looks like a bunch of instructions on how to install it, position it, connect it. It's a piece of cardboard. And this looks like the actual sound bar. It's in a cloth-like bag. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. It does feel like it's high quality material. It feels pretty sturdy and solid. I'm not hearing anything move around, rattle. The controls are on the top, so this is the top side. These are the control power buttons, volume. This is where you put the legs. In the back here, you have the connectors, power. Looks like you can even hang this off of a wall. And then this is the subwoofer unit. It's actually pretty big. It's pretty well secured in there. I'm assuming the bottom is just where you install the legs and power. And let's see. Let's go ahead and remove this tape that's securing it. Maybe we should just slide it out. I don't know what's the best method. Oh, there you go. All right. Okay, so actually, it looks like it has legs already. Here's the actual subwoofer. This is nope, that's not a handle. The power cord. So it looks like this might connect to the system wirelessly, because I'm not seeing any actual like audio style jacks anywhere. And nothing else inside the box. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna set it up, test it out, and hopefully it works good.